Yo, peeps, it's your boy P. Welcome back to my YouTube channel before you go to sauce. And today, I'm going to be making some chicken wings. And not just any chicken wings. We're going to make some honey barbecue chicken wings inspired by Tasty, the YouTube channel. So yeah, I'll put a link to the recipe down below. But yeah, actually had a nice craving for this. The last time I had one of this was like, oh God, 2019, early 2019. So yeah, I'm going to rekindle that love again. But yeah, let's do this. So, I know there was a debate about if you should wash your chicken before you cook it or not wash your chicken before you cook it. People, I'll just end it right now. Let me just end it right now. Let me end that debate. Let's just end it right now. Better wash your chicken. Wash your goddamn chicken. How can you not wash chicken and you expect us to eat your chicken? How? Princess, tell these people, what's wrong with them?
Wash your chicken,
Wash your chicken.
people.
Wash your chicken, please. Human beings. You know what I'm saying? Wash your chicken. Thank you. Public service is over. Go. Familiar, Joe. So yeah, this is what it looks like. See that? Oh, just the smell is so good. But yeah, we're gonna do a little taste test. See how it kicks. Yeah. Let's get a nice piece. Alright. Don't judge me, don't judge me. We're just gonna go for like one bite. Ooh. Not too sweet, which is good. That is on point, that is on point. I'm very happy with how it came out. Not too sweet. The barbecue is nice as well. You can tell a bit of the garlic as well, which is good. But yeah, I'm very happy with how it came out. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Shout out, I'm gonna put a description and the recipe below. Tasty, nice one as well. Nice YouTube page. You should follow as well. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe, share your thoughts. I've got some more videos working in the background. We're working on some more videos. But yeah, until the next one. Peace out.